What's up, everybody? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tucker. I'm your host of this channel, and we're here to talk about some pretty cool news. Finally, some good news in my life, monetarily too. Hopefully. But what I got going on? What is Chuck got going on for you guys tonight? Okay, well, on the heading of my video, you'll see the top earnings reports for this week, and I'm gonna go over some of them because ARK Invest that I don't know what you call it, the stock firm that I look up to significantly, as do many other people, and it's reached recent attention lately, with Kathy Woods, who's the owner of ARK Invest. And so a lot of her stocks, her high growth stocks, which are meaning like stocks that are worth $300 to $400, are having their earnings reports this week. And so we're going to go through them, and I'm going to talk to you about which ones to pay attention to. And this could be a potential day trade opportunity, swing trade opportunity. It all depends on how you set out yourself for the week in terms of when you buy something and when you sell it. It's all about that, I have found. So, May 3rd, which is Monday, is going to be the beginning. And where do we go? Okay, so not much on May 3rd, or on the 1st, but on Tuesday, we have Pfizer in the pre-market. That's supposed to have some good report or positive reports, according to the person that I listen to. And then in the after hours on Tuesday is the one that you guys, I am going to pay attention to significantly. You notice how I'm working on my phrasing of the way I talk. I really want to make it in terms of me and not we, because I don't want to be speaking on behalf of you. So I try to speak in the first tense, just in respect to the viewers. So if I'm in my grammar spot and it sounds kind of weird, that's why. But Skills, ticker symbol SKLZ, is a gaming company. It's one of the hottest gaming companies out there right now. There's other ones too that are good, but this company, Skills, right before the crash, it was $46.30. Now it's trickled all the way down to $17.52. And I got lucky when I got Skills on its low at like $16 or something, or maybe $17, and then it went up for like a day or two, like radically, or a week maybe, and then it just dropped, and you can see it on the graph. But oh man, I don't have my graph. But yeah, so it dropped down to $12.40, and its support line that we came up with, we meaning, or like that the person that I listened to came up with, was $10, and that was before the merge. So there is so much growth in this stock, and you can 3 times your money if you just hold on to it. If you buy it, depending also on the earnings report. If we have a good earnings report, my guy didn't get into, my woman didn't get into the how much it's going to be, plus or minus, but it definitely would be a good idea for me to maybe buy, say I want to have a total of 10 skill stocks. So this is an example. So I'm going to get 5 now, and then I'm going to wait for the earnings report. And depending on the earnings report, on which way it goes, if it's a negative earnings report and it goes down, then you know when to buy it, because it'll go down, 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 and then it'll find a baseline, maybe. But it can't go down much more. I mean, other than it's $17.52. So it's been trading aggressively downwards. It's pulled all the way down to its support line, like I said. On Wednesday, we have PayPal. PayPal is correlated with Bitcoin. Remember, you can pay things and pay people and do Bitcoin transactions through PayPal. Elon Musk came up with that. Number 2, we got Twilio on Wednesday. That's a really hot stock. That's another ARK Invest stock that ARK has. And we have Fastly. That's another stock that ARK Invest owns a lot of. And Rocket. And Rocket, you know, it has a massive short squeeze. It's been having massive short squeeze. I haven't looked it up yet, to be honest with you, but it made all-time highs in a matter of hours. That's how much of a squeeze or pull it got, you know. So that, I don't know a lot about that company other than that, but that knowing that doesn't make me feel too fuzzy and good. Having a short squeeze hanging all over my shoulder. That's just my opinion. On Thursday, we have Square, and that will report in the after hours, and Roku in the after hours. Those are 2 huge companies, gigantic. What's the name of them called? High growth stocks, like Tesla. And so Square is connected to Bitcoin too. So we don't know. We'll see what happens. It's like Square is $244.82, and its all-time high was $283. So it's got about a $40 gap up if it gets a good report. If it doesn't, it's a great time to buy Square if you want to buy it for the long run, because it is a solid company. Kathy Woods, irrespective of her selling off shares of Square, she still has a ton of Square shares. So like, she has to sell it off. I'm just going to say why, but this is why I pay attention to what she buys and sells every day, and to not freak out and be like, oh, she's selling all of her Squares or something. Like, she's got so many, it's part of her algorithm of how she makes money. She has to get rid of certain stocks at certain times. Otherwise, it doesn't work. That's another story. And Roku, you know what Roku is. It's $342.97. The ARK Invest, like I said, it's heavily invested in them. Their all-time high is $486.72. Wow, that's over $100 up. So, is Roku gonna go up or down? I don't know. And if I was to play any like involvement in this, I would buy like a quarter of a share just to see. That's a great idea too. Buy a half a share, maybe, or a quarter of a share. So that way, like, if something goes south, you don't lose much money. And then so it'll be interesting to see what Square will have to say if they sold off some of their shares of Bitcoins or not, and what their plans are moving forward. And on Thursday afternoon, AMC is back. Yeah, I know, but it's getting a lot of attention from a lot of I can't even say the word, but you know what word I'm trying to say. And I don't even know how much it is, but that one might be one that fun to play a part of, if it's still, you know, what it is. And DraftKings, let me tell you, Kathy Woods was buying a lot of DraftKings like a week or two ago. So that will be interesting if DraftKings has a real positive report. That'll be on Friday in the pre-market. So when you wake up, you will see already if you've gained or lost your money, to be direct and transparent. So I'll be making more detailed videos as we get closer to each one of these stocks that we approach this week. We do it in the salami approach, right? I do it in the salami approach. I don't get overwhelmed. And now we're going to move into the crypto, and I'll wrap it up real fast. But Dogecoin, check it out. Who's going to be on Saturday Night Live this Saturday? Elon Musk. You have to watch it, and you have to watch the price of the Dogecoin that night too, because on the weekends, as you know, all the cryptocurrencies coins, they go up a lot more than they do during the week. That's been my experience of watching them. Yours might be different. There's another company that's a cryptocurrency called Safemoon, and I haven't checked it out. I don't know where to buy it, but it is doing the same thing as Dogecoin, and it's acting exactly as Dogecoin when Dogecoin has its reactions. And they're also reporting that they're having a wallet coming out. So there's a Safemoon wallet. I don't know why that's such a big deal. I think you can just use any wallet for your coins, to my understanding. But whatever, if that's a big deal for people to do it, then, you know, hey, more money for us. So Safemoon and Dogecoin's 38 cents at the time of the film, and its high is 46. So hopefully you already got some Doge. If you don't, maybe get some Doge in now, because you don't want to be doged out too late. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Tucker on YouTube at Tuck Notes, and you can reach me on Instagram at TuckerMLO, and check out my blog at #TucksBlog. Have a good night.